Hey, this is Leena Singh. Today I'm gonna tell you 2 yoga poses for tailbone pain. First one, triangle pose. Stand straight, keep your hands on your back, then spread your legs as much as you can and face diagonally. And then stretch your arms too. Bend your body and hold left foot with your left hand and one hand in the air. Then your tailbone will feel the stretch. Second, wind relieving pose. Lie down on your back, bring both the legs towards your back in a position of hugging. Hold your knees with your arm, then lift your face and touch your chin to the knee. You will feel the stretch in your tailbone. Repeat each pose 3 times for 1 minute in a day. So guys, hope you like my video and learn a lot. For more videos, do subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you so much.